why I didn't get the part of me blowing this up though. But here it is.
You need to get that bitch.
Oh, good balance.
Yes, sir.
You know, I gotta get this on the vlog.
You got to,
I
man.
bought this.
Oh, they slide that bitch. They slide. What you say, EJ? Ooh, you throwing that bitch. Oh, hey, I need to be with that. Oh. Hey, cuz throwing that bitch. Good round. Good round. Yeah, man.
Few moments later.
Come on.
Yo, I about to go under the ball.
Come on.
Oh, shit.
You gotta work up. You gotta work up.
Y'all, I'm too fucked up for this, bro.
No, come on, bro. You tripping, bro.
Not like
OG
that
motherfucking
ass.
pressure. Hey, get this shit on the ball, dude. Come on, bro.
Just hand me a float, bro.
This is the flow.
Not a float.
I'm gonna get out of it.
This is the flow.
Look, I'm gonna get out of it. You get in it.
No. I can't.
Yo, Z, look. Come on, get in it. Get in it.
I don't be like climbing.
No, get in the float.
Like that. Like, I just be like cardio.
Look, get in the float. Come on, the handle right there. Oh, you got a good cord. So your ass gonna go under the boat. Get in it. Just get in it. Oh, yeah. No upper strength. You ain't played no sports. No upper strength.
I swear, I got up there in 5 seconds.
Oh.
Not 5
Come on,
seconds.
give me. I'm too fucked up.
She done drank too much.
Oh, come on.
Damn, I know that hurt your shoulder.
No.
The flow.
Come on.
Hey, grab it.
Come on. I got it. This out of water.
With your foot. Your foot. Your leg longer. Yep. Because you didn't have to do that. You didn't have to do that. We had to float anyway.
I can't.
What?
Put your leg up.
It just want to be extra. You know what I'm saying?
I can't.
You had to do all that for what?
All that.
We had to float anyway.
Anyway.
I'm doing too much.
Get her. What is she doing right here?
Okay?
Is that right?
I'm gonna go back down for real. Taylor!
Get your half body ass up.
Taylor!
Oh, look.
Taylor, you're laughing and I really can't do it.
Okay, come on.
Got hella flows. Don't matter the city, I got hella hoes. I don't know who I want, any, many, money, more free call.
Junior Crusher, stand up. Okay. What you think? Nah. But get on the floor. I don't want to be in your video. You don't want to be in the video? We got OG. Easy. Hey, we in Grayson, Kentucky. Hey, get you out. Hey, they want $1 for the film. 5, 6, 1. We already know. Hey, yeah. Get loose. Yeah. Yeah, eat shit.
Me and Junior Crusher go rock climbing.
Boys, back there, man. EJ, about to get ready for the rock climbing. Jump out this rock. We out here at Grayson. Good vibes, great vibes, you feel me? We out here.
Oh, yeah, get right, eat dirt. Hey! Get off, B. Jump towards me. Hey!
Few moments later.
came to the lake to have some fun and shit like that, you feel me? So I really came to experience Grayson Lake, you feel me, out in Kentucky, you feel me? I'm back in West Virginia, as y'all know, but I came to Kentucky to vlog, you feel me? So I'm really just in the trenches right now, though. I don't think anything in the trenches about this, but you feel me? I see a lot of trees and a lot of branches, so I call it the trenches, you feel me? So I will vlogging today, you feel me? And you know, we had a miscommunication going on as we was getting on the boat, you feel me? And it was a lot of stuff going on, but I don't wanna talk about what was going on. It was just communication, but everybody vibing on. It's a lot of good vibes. A lot of things going on, you feel me? We just having fun as friends. It's about 8 girls, 8 guys out here, and we just vlogging and vibing, you feel me? They didn't have anything else to do on their 4th of July. But later on, it's gonna be fireworks popping. We're gonna be at the park, popping little fireworks, we vlogging. And then I got my dog, Sam Burton, in the background. I played high school ball with him. You feel me? And then 5'6"
Out of the 304.
Okay, there we go. That's what we talking about. But we just really in the trenches right now. But I'm waiting on Talik Keaton to get over here, you feel me? That's my day one of my day ones, you feel me? You know, I told y'all I rock Mark all day, man. Mark 23, long little Mark, man, 23. I told you I rock him all day, every day, you feel me? He was a soldier back then when we was playing 7-on-7 with him. And he, you feel me and him always talked about us making it. And he was going to be one of the ones making. And he was going to be one of the ones around me telling me how to do this, how to do that, you feel me? You can't do this and can't do that, you feel me? And then he was just like another, you feel me, brother to me, you feel me? And we was always around each other. We was always roommates, 7-on-7, 2018, 2017. I ain't never have no problem with him. He always told me right from wrong. He always told me what he was going through and then what he, you feel me, hoping to achieve in life. But there's one of my dogs right here. This is one of my dogs right here. One of my day ones I met at Marshall. One of my day ones I met at Marshall.
Hey, we out here,
Tell your name, your IG name, and man, just tell the kids out there what they need to do to achieve in life, man.
Hey, Talik Keaton, you feel me? My Instagram, Golden Hands, Golden with a 0. The 0 is an O. I mean, damn. The O is a 0.
Yeah.
Golden _hands. The hands is with a Z and then 1. But shit, to be successful, don't mind me, I'ma love you, feel me?
Yeah.
All y'all gotta do is don't say the word can't.
Yeah.
Feel me? Don't say the word can't.
That's real right there.
Anything you put your mind to, you can achieve.
Yeah.
Never say can't.
Yeah.
You got, day by day, just go by that.
Yeah.
No matter what it is, if you say you can't do it, you dead ass wrong.
Yeah.
You dead wrong. Don't say that.
Now, Sam, tell the kids what they need to do to achieve in life, man.
You feel me? Just whatever you want to do, you got to be dedicated to it. You can't just go in there and go half-assed. You got to go all the way. You got to put your head down and you got to sacrifice. You know, that's big. You know what I'm saying?
For real though.
You feel me?
Hey.
Sacrifice.
And another thing though, listen to y'all parents, bro.
Yeah.
Listen to your parents. They been through it. They been through what we going through.
Yeah.
Listen to them. For sure. They ain't gonna lead you wrong.
So that's another video of part 1 of Life of EJ vlogging while we in the lake. So we gonna get back with you later on while we're about to vlog about the fireworks and stuff and having fun with our family and friends and some of our close ones and some of the ones we met today. So I'm gonna get back with you. You gonna get part 2. It's gonna come up sooner or later. We vlogging, man. Subscribe and like that button, man. Click that like button, man.
My babe, I be busy, but you can still call, babe. Shitting on niggas, ain't talking stars, babe. Stars.